Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the MotoGP 25 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your in-game language for this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up MotoGP 25 on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, you may start playing from wherever you last left off. Now, if you need to change the language within your game, even if you don't understand anything on your screen, you can simply go into the gear icon at the top right corner, or press the Y button on your keyboard. This will take you into the settings page, and from the settings page, you can press the Q or E button 5 times, or you can go into the language menu at the top. Here you can find the game language as well as the race commentary language. There is also the subtitle language option, which you can all redefine from this page. In order to change the in-game language, you will need to change the game language option. Just navigate from the list of various different languages that are available, and you can also choose your subtitle language. You can define the size of the subtitles as well, and you can also choose to have a background on your subtitles. After choosing all of your desired options, just go back and your changes will be saved automatically. You can now continue to play your game with your language settings applied right away, and you may change this at any point of time by following the same steps. Going into the gear icon, the 5th option from the top, and then choosing your desired language. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the in-game language on the MotoGP 25 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.